Okay, guys, so Bitcoin bull market starts in October. We are very soon about to enter the new month of October. And we know, guys, October is one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, we are in fact about to enter the month of, October. And we know that means it's October. That's what a lot of people call it because that is the most bullish month for Bitcoin. So in today's video, I want to talk more about that. Okay, why you guys should really prepare yourselves for October coming up next month. Okay, we have just a week left, pretty much a week left into this month of September. And then once we get through this month of September, from there on it's going to be amazing for Bitcoin and crypto because usually October leads to a bull run. We're going to enter Q4. Right, and remember, guys, November and December are some pretty decent times for Bitcoin and crypto as well. So let me show you guys what is happening right now with Bitcoin and crypto, and then I will show you guys some Bitcoin charts indicating that we should be prepared for what is truly coming for Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin today, okay, Bitcoin today still holding strong at this level, 63,500. At one point actually pumped all the way back up at $64,000. Okay, you guys can clearly see that earlier this morning, we did actually see Bitcoin pumping back up to $64,000, right? But right now it's slightly down, okay, but it is still holding very strong at this level, right? You guys can clearly see that. So Ethereum, okay, just below $2,600. Yesterday we saw Ethereum above 2.6. And yeah, for the past few days, Ethereum has been looking pretty good, right? It really truly has been looking pretty good right now for Ethereum. Same with Solana. Okay, Solana still holding pretty strong, okay, and Chainlink still holding strong at $11, right? So the crypto market this morning, not much movements for Bitcoin or even Ethereum, right? But you guys can clearly see for the past week, 7 days, Bitcoin is up over 7% and Ethereum is up over 11%. So both Bitcoin and Ethereum have been looking pretty good, and you guys can see a lot of altcoins for the past few days have been looking pretty good as well. Solana up 10%, BNB right 6%, okay, Doge 3%, right, Cardano also over 3%. Look at Avalanche 14%. So yeah, a lot of alts have been looking pretty good for the past few days, but today, right, we're not seeing huge movements for alts today, right? You guys can clearly see that, but everything today is still holding pretty well. Now, getting into these Bitcoin charts, I want to start off with this one, okay, and it's showing us here, and this one's actually pretty interesting, right? And it says here Bitcoin above $89,000 by year end, okay, and I think it can actually go higher because I've been telling guys many times that personally, okay, I do see Bitcoin reaching at least $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. Now, let's just say, right, we don't see Bitcoin reaching 100K towards the end of this year in 2024. That's going to happen early next year in 2025, right? So yeah, most likely we could potentially see Bitcoin reaching at least $90,000 towards the end of the year, right? But I still think Bitcoin has the potential to reach at least 100K because I still think it's on track to do that. Now it says here, the blue line of the power law corridor pulls Bitcoin like a magnet. It's only a matter of time before it trades above it, right? So you guys can clearly see the target could potentially be $89,000. Okay, but of course we have to break, okay, out of this consolidation phase. We know Bitcoin has in fact been consolidating for the past few months, and we have to break out of that, right? So once we actually see Bitcoin breaking that resistance, it will go higher and reaching a new high. Now, speaking about this, resistance line that I've been talking about for the past few weeks now, right? You guys can clearly see, okay, Bitcoin broadening wedge, okay, and once we actually see Bitcoin reaching back up, okay, to its previous highs and actually breaking out of this resistance line right here, this is, as I told you guys, right, this is a very key level to watch, okay, a very important level to watch. Once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, okay, and we actually see a breakout from it, right, it's going to reach a new high. It's going to reach to $80,000 to 85 to even eventually $90,000 and beyond, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. So very soon, guys, this will happen, and most likely it will happen next month in October. So then, next upcoming few weeks, guys, right, this will for sure happen. Okay, Bitcoin is going to be reaching a new high. We know Bitcoin's previous new all-time high was above $73,000, and that happened back in March this year in 2024, right? But it's going to go higher than that easily, right? So prepare yourselves for that, you guys. Okay, this is a very, very key level to watch, this resistance line. Okay, and speaking about this resistance, okay, it says here Bitcoin on balanced volume shows breakout to the descending triangle. After the breakout, Bitcoin will leave the consolidation zone and have another uptrend move. So once again, guys, once we actually see Bitcoin leaving this consolidation zone, right, this phase right here, okay, we actually see a breakout, breaking that resistance. Remember, guys, there is in fact a resistance here. And once we actually see a breakout, it will lead to another uptrend, right? So for all my Bitcoin holders out there, this is a very, very key level to watch. Once we actually see a breakout from this consolidation zone, we're going to see a beautiful uptrend occurring for Bitcoin. We're going to see a parabolic movement, and it's going to lead Bitcoin to at least 100K and beyond, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. We know next year in 2025 will be an amazing time for Bitcoin and crypto, right? We know that 2025 will be a wild time for Bitcoin and crypto, just like where we saw it back in 2021, 2017, even 2013, right? Those years were amazing. The same thing is going to happen for the year 2025. So be prepared for that, okay? But yes, okay, bull run, Octobers, you guys can clearly see this is obviously not the first time that we have seen Bitcoin, okay, having a very, very bullish October, right? During that month of October, you guys can clearly see in previous years, back in 2013, okay, we saw what happened, right? In October, it pumped, but then of course, or actually 2012, and then 2016 of October, it pumped, right? And then of course, throughout 2017, and then October 2020, and of course, right, it's gonna, have an uptrend. So this is where we are right now. Okay, and you guys can clearly see very, very soon, okay, we will see a beautiful uptrend for Bitcoin. Okay, usually October is a very, very bullish month for Bitcoin. Okay, so history will potentially repeat itself. Okay, we will just have to see, guys. And just to show you guys, okay, this is obviously the Bitcoin monthly returns. And you guys can clearly see October, yes, a lot of greens throughout the years, right? We've had only 2 years that were in the reds, okay, back in 2018 and 2014. But the rest of the years, okay, have been in the green. So you guys can clearly see October is one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin. Okay, October really is one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin. Even February, look at February. February is pretty bullish as well for Bitcoin. Again, only 2 red months and the rest are all in the greens, right? So understand, guys, okay, February, even October is very, very similar. Okay, very, very similar. So I don't think this time will be different. Okay, it's going to be the exact same. October in general, Q4, again, guys, you guys can clearly see Q4 is a very, very bullish time for Bitcoin, right? Even for Ethereum, it's pretty decent for Ethereum as well. But yeah, you guys can clearly see October will be an amazing time for Bitcoin crypto, so get ready for that, okay? But yes, guys, 2025, I've been talking about this many, many times. 2021, 2017, and of course back 2013 were some amazing times for Bitcoin and crypto. That's when we were in fact in a bull cycle, in a bull market, in a bull run, right? Now since clearly see how much Bitcoin pumped. And every single time, guys, understand, right? Every single time when we are in fact entering a new bull cycle, Bitcoin always reaches a new high. Every single time. So understand, a new high is coming. And I told you guys, right, 100K is for sure going to happen. Bitcoin will for sure be in the 6 figs. We know that. So 100K is coming, 150, even 200K, 250, 300K and beyond is very, very possible. Okay, that's personally my price prediction for Bitcoin next year, 2025. Right, I've been telling you that many, many times. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments down below. What is your personal price prediction for Bitcoin for the year 2025? But 2025 is right around the corner. Okay, so understand, guys, we don't have a lot of time left. I told you guys many, many times, if you simply want to make money with Bitcoin and crypto, you better take action now with these low prices, right? Because once we actually enter Q4, just next month in October, from there on, things will change. Understand that, guys, right? things will change. These prices will change. Bitcoin will obviously be much higher. Same with Ethereum, and a lot of these altcoins will be much higher. I told you guys this. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. A lot of these altcoins will reach a new high. It will go back up to its previous highs and reach new highs. But understand, not all these altcoins will do that. So you just really have to do your own research, believe what altcoin you want to invest in, right, for the next upcoming bull run, because there's a lot of room here to make money, right? There really, really is, guys. Of course, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. So, guys, get ready for the year 2025 because it's going to be wild. Okay, and I truly do hope you guys are prepared for it. Okay, but guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe. More videos will obviously be coming where I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. So stay tuned for that, and I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.